this tutorial, I'll show you how to create that gritty, misprinted typography style that's everywhere in design right now. We're only using Photoshop's built-in effects. No plugins, no texture packs needed. Just follow along step by step. Start with some text or any shape you like. Double-click the layer. The Layer Styles window will pop up. Check Bevel and Emboss. Set the style to Inner Bevel. You'll see a carved edge appear around the letters. This is where the depth comes from. Adjust the other values however you want, depending on how strong you like the effect. Next, check Stroke. Again, dial in the values to taste. This adds a border that makes the letters feel more printed, more present. Now bring in a rough texture. Place it on top of the text. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus G on Mac, that's Command plus Option plus G. This creates a clipping mask. The texture will only show inside the letters. Then add a threshold adjustment. This snaps the texture down to pure black and white. That's where the broken up photocopied look comes from. Slide the value left or right to control how gritty you want it. Now for the misprint. Select all three layers. Press Ctrl plus G to group them. Command plus G on Mac. Then Ctrl plus J to duplicate the group on top. Adjust the position and size. Nudge it slightly, scale it up just a touch. That's where the misprint feel comes from. Open Bevel and Emboss on the duplicated layer. Swap the gloss contour for a different style. With both layers stacked, the depth and texture get stronger. At this point, the typography itself is done. But we can push the overall mood further. Add a solid color fill layer. Move it above the group. Change its blend mode to darken. This casts the tone over the whole canvas. The atmosphere immediately gets heavier, more saturated. Next, bring in another texture. Set its blend mode to linear burn. A global layer of grit gets pressed onto the entire image. It starts to look like it was photocopied 100 times. Finally, tweak the brightness and contrast. Add some small accents, a barcode, a serial number, an icon. And the style is complete. The whole workflow comes down to three core ideas. Bevel and Emboss creates the depth. Clipping mask plus threshold creates the broken texture. Duplicate and offset creates the layered misprint. Everything else, the solid color fill, the linear burn, the brightness contrast, those are mood layers on top. Style isn't built from asset packs. It's built from knowing which effects to combine.